Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to permanently delete all your Grok conversations? You can remove your entire chat history in just a few steps. This helps protect your privacy and removes old conversations that you no longer need. Let me show you how. First, open the Grok app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap your profile picture. Scroll down and go to Data Controls. Here, you'll find the option Delete All Conversations. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear, warning you that once your conversations are deleted, they cannot be restored. You will see two options: Cancel and Delete. If you tap Cancel, nothing will be removed. If you tap Delete, all your Grok conversations will be permanently deleted. So make sure you really want to remove them before continuing. This helps keep your chat history clean and private. And that's how to permanently delete all Grok conversations on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.